Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna unboxing Samsung Galaxy M06 5G smartphone. So let's unbox this box. This is the first look of Samsung Galaxy M06 5G smartphone, and it is sage green, 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage version phone. So let's open this box quickly and unbox. So this is the first look of the phone, and this has a nice design, nice metallic design, and its thickness is 8.0 mm. Okay, so first of all, let's insert the SIM card into the SIM card tray and let's set up the phone.
फिर ये कैसा है ये
बड़ा
हाँ क्या चला थोड़ी तो बता बना
So guys, this is the final look of the phone, and I am seeing the specifications of the phone. This phone comes with Android 15 with One UI 7.0, and you can see the home screen of the phone. This is the first time I am opening the phone, and it comes with some default applications. Inside the box you get, along with handset, USB cable, that is your charger type C cable, and one ejection pin. Okay, so let's check the camera, and its camera is a 50 megapixel main wide angle camera, and another camera is 2 megapixel depth camera. Both are back rear camera. Let's check how it captures photographs. I increase the brightness of the phone, and let's check the photo quality. You can see I just took the photo of the box and the USB cable. You can see the quality of image. Let's take another shot. You can see the image quality, and this is the front camera, and this is me. That's all for this video, and I will put the specification of the phone in the description of this video. See you soon in another video. Bye.